Okay, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you a couple of different ways of stenciling with the Ink-ology inks. So I'm using a rounded stencil brush for this. I'm just going to pop out with the pipette a little bit of fuchsia. Okay, a very small amount. Pick up your stencil brush and I'm just pouncing. I'm not pouncing heavy, just nice and lightly. Bit more ink. And it's important not to load your brush too heavy. And if you do, just take some out on a paper towel first. So just in random areas, I'm going to pounce the fuchsia in. There we go. And now I'm going to put out a little bit of raspberry ripple. Loading a small amount into the brush, dabbing it out a little bit. And then start pouncing on some of the white areas. Okay. And finally, we'll put out a little bit of plum pie. Okay, and then just cover up the rest of the white. Okay, nearly there. And the reveal. So let me hold this up to the camera. There we go, nice and crisp and no bleeding. Okay, now I'm going to use a blending tool, a dome blending tool. Pick up the fuchsia and take some off on some paper towel. Okay, it's important you do this. The foam will pick up a lot of ink, so you want to take some of it out. And exactly the same as what we did before, just a few random places with the fuchsia. Okay, now pick up the raspberry ripple. Take some out on the paper towel. Start filling in, again, randomly the white spaces on the card. And finally, same process with the plum pie. So I do actually prefer the brush method, the blending tool method, but both work. You have to be a bit more careful with the blending tool. So up to the camera, there you go.